he's out of town and I'm taking care of his dogs, then I gotta go out, and regardless of what the conditions are, to take care of the doggos. It's only been snowing for about maybe an hour. We're supposed to get 13 inches. Welcome to the UP in winter. We got a bit of a storm last night. Worst I've seen in the 8 years I've lived in the UP. You can see that's about 2 feet of snow in about an 8-hour period. And now it's time to dig out. Fortunately, I'm taking care of my dog. He's out of town on vacation. And it's going to take me longer to get there than I'd like. But that's what we get living